Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It's Groundhog Day for Bitcoin, which is basically the same situation that we saw by, beginning of March. Beginning of March. We had this ascending support level, right? Bang, 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 drop dead. Okay, so now we're seeing the same thing again. Bang, bang, bang. And we don't really know which direction it's going to go. So the momentum is the same as it was before. The price is less volatile, so it's sort of slowing down to the up. It's not quite the big swings that we had before. There's rumours that some guys got some super mega massive short on, and then there's rumours on top of that whales are sort of ganging together to liquidate the short. All of this sounds like complete reckless madness, and to happen at this exact area on the chart doesn't really make any sense, because you're out of support, you're at a resistance, you're in the center of a cloud on the 4-hourly, the momentum's like close to nothing. It's basically a no trade zone. Yeah, there's evidence for downside, there's evidence for upside, but to go short or long at this exact area, it's kind of mental, really. It's kind of mental. I just still think, however, that wherever it goes from here, which it could just drop, it could go down to the 70s. It could go to the low 70s. So I'll show you in a bit. I don't think the cycle is broken. Take ourselves over to the weekly. We see the support on the 50 exponential. That's the same as CME, which is something I never normally look at, but I did look at this over the weekend, and the CME futures chart has the same 50 exponential tag on the weekly, but it also has a much neater 200 simple moving average tag on the daily, which again, I like it when there's symmetry on charts and time frames. You don't get that on Bitstamps or Binances or anything like that. You only seem to get it there. So I'll take it for what it's worth. On days like today, weeks like this, you kind of need a little bit of hopium like that to perk you up. So yeah, there's your Bitcoin scenario. Stocks weak as a mother, getting rejected here already in the futures pre-market, and on the 7 simple moving average. You can't really spin that in any particularly bullish light, unfortunately. But the one thing I was going to talk about, and I spoke about it on the Patreon live stream last night, is Crypto.com's Crow. So, I don't want that one. The Crow does often respond first. So we go back in time here. So here's your 2023. Everybody was very upset with crypto in general. I'm so upset. It's never gonna do anything ever. I said it's very likely to do something now. No, it's not. It's going down forever. The cycle is broken. Bang. Oh. Can I buy it now? I wouldn't bother if I were you. Oh no, I'm gonna buy it now. It's gonna. Oh, I'm so upset. The cycle is broken. It's all a scam. Bang. Should I buy it? I wouldn't buy it after a parabolic run like that. No, it's okay. I'm gonna buy it. I saw a very popular YouTube and Twitter person speak about. I will buy it. I'm so upset. It's hurting so bad. The cycle is broken. It's all a scam. Bang! And then the obvious takes place. Should I buy it? Should I get the Crow card? Oh, I'm so upset. It's all over. The cycle is broken. It's all a scam. So, it's quite a long-winded way of putting my point across there, really. And look, maybe they're right this time. Maybe it is a scam. Maybe the cycle is broken. Maybe it's all over. But we're sitting at major support. Now, I'm not saying that Crow is the leader of the market at all, but Crow does have, it seems to move aggressively before most other altcoins. In fact, I would say it's one of the first coins to start to actually move in some kind of parabolic fashion. Now, there's support, there's support, okay? That's all there is support. There's not a great deal more than that. That's all we're really kind of talking about. That is basically it. But prior to the dawn, it's always darkest, right? That's the phrase we were saying last night, and that is true. So you look at Bitcoin, you're like, all right, the low could be in based on the 50 exponential, based on the 200 simple on the daily, on CME's chart. You look at Ethereum, there's really nothing to hold on to. It's wrecked city. You look at XRP though, and you're like, all right, this is banging, this is ready, this is ripe. It's really healthy looking banging chart. Let's hope for the best and pray for the rest. It's good. So it's not all over it. It's not a scam. Maybe you've bought some scams. That's fine. We all do. But, I mean, the overall market is certainly not a scam, and I don't believe it to be over. The overall market, just like most individual stocks, which are all struggling, are following the overall example set by they call them the Magnificent Seven, but the big players, and also just the financial aspect of messing around with tariffs and trade wars and stuff like that. So it is about time for a bounce. Much of these bounces are going to be off the back of allowing countries to get along with each other again, I think. I always talk about a trading environment. At the moment, the trading environment is not very suitable for short-term investments because nobody knows who's going to say what next. But as far as a cycle is concerned, and I've seen some very popular X's, I don't know if that's what you call them, people on X, very popular, already saying that the cycle is broken, for better or for worse. But that's something you can only say in hindsight, once a 4-year cycle has run through, and whether or not we pop or not. And, at the moment, it doesn't look like the cycle is broken at all. It looks like the cycle is continuing, and in fact, it looks like the cycle's been the best one so far. So, what people are talking about sometimes, it's just confuses everybody. If you have something to say like that, then evidence it. Don't just say it in a paragraph and everybody who follows you, because you've got 500,000 subscribers or whatever, just, the cycle's broken because I saw it on Twitter. Why is it broken? It does this. They're popular. Okay. Anyway, I'll leave it with you there. There's nothing much more to say. It's Monday. Monday open so far for crypto seems reasonable. It's neither here, it's neither there. But looking at stuff like Crow, I'm quite, optimistic about how this is going to behave over the next, we'll call it the next 6 weeks. It could end up being parabolic, believe it or not. Right, I'll leave it with you there. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take it easy.